How to uninstall file Kirin. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove the application. First of all, navigate to the place where it is located. Now, simply tap and hold onto it. Here on the right top, you can see this eye icon. Tap on this eye icon. Now here, we are headed to the app info. So this is the place where you can customize and make changes about the app. Now, here on the bottom, there's an option called Uninstall. Tap on Uninstall. Now, before doing this, make sure you have your ID and password saved for later, because when you install it, you'll be able to log in again. Now, tap on OK. So it will take some time, and as you can see, the app is completely gone from my mobile device. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.